Good day, each and everyone. Welcome to my thesis presentation entitled Level of Stress and Coping Strategies of Elementary School Teachers in District 6 of Quezon City. I'm Lolita Opa Alisbo from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila. Teaching is a challenging profession and is regarded as a highly stressful job. Indeed, teachers experience extreme stress due to their various tasks and responsibilities. Stress affects all professions in a different way, such as dysfunctional behaviors and contribute toward poor physical and mental health. This lowers individual and institutional productivity that deeply affect institutions of learning. The need for educational leaders and managers to focus on understanding work-related problems of teachers is an emerging urgency. Teaching is consistently among the top three most stressful professions, according to a respected academic who has studied well-being in 80 occupations. Hence, as research on teacher stress has become a major area of international research interest, but the fact that many among the professionals here in the Philippines have been caught to end up their lives because of too much stress. But when people face stress, they typically use some form of coping strategies to combat and lower their stress. This could provide information to the teachers that would serve as a basis for intervention, techniques, and worksite policies and regulations that will serve to lessen the stress of every teachers. The primary thrust of the study was to determine the level of stress experienced and the coping strategies used among the elementary school teachers in District 6 of Quezon City. This study aimed to describe the level of stress and coping strategies of elementary school teachers in District 6 of Quezon City. Hence, this study sought answer to the following questions. 1. What is the level of stress as experienced by the respondents in terms of vocational strength, psychological strength, interpersonal strength, and physical strength? 2. What are the coping strategies for stress do the respondents use? Social support, rational cognitive coping, recreation, and self-care. 3. Is there a significant relationship between the level of stress and the coping strategies used by the respondents? The study used descriptive type of research and modified questionnaire. Data were collected among 237 elementary school teachers and selected public schools in District 6 of Quezon City. The data gathered were subjected to statistical treatment, making use of average mean and person R coefficient. Level of stress was measured through the personal strength questionnaire and grouped into 4 subskills: vocational strength, psychological strength, interpersonal strength, and physical strength. Meanwhile, the personal resources questionnaire is used to measure coping resources and grouped into 4 subskills: recreation, self-care, social support, and rational cognitive coping. The result: 1. Level of stress, vocational strength, which is occasional true or seldom as experienced by the respondent. Psychological strength, teacher respondents answer occasional true. This is an indication that teacher respondents are not at all affected of any psychological strength. Interpersonal strength, often true or somewhat experienced by the teacher respondents. Physical strength are often true or somewhat experienced by the teacher respondents. However, other items fall under occasionally true or experienced to a lesser extent. Coping strategies. Social support among the 9 items under social support are coping strategies, respectively, which is verbally interpreted as usually true, are often used by the teacher respondents. Rational cognitive coping among the 8 items usually true are often used by the respondents. Recreation, all the items for coping strategies in terms of recreation are said to be often true or sometimes used by the teacher respondents. Self-care, the 9 items under the self-care are all often true or sometimes been used by the teacher respondents. Significant relationship between coping strategies and level of stress. Based on the results obtained among the variables of coping strategies, social support and rational cognitive coping found to have significant relationship to vocational strength. Moreover, there is a weak negative correlation to social support and rational cognitive coping strategies, respectively. Therefore, the hypothesis that there is no significant relationship was rejected and found to have significant relationship. The following conclusion can be drawn from this study. 1. Teachers in public schools of District 6 of Quezon City experience normal level of stress. 2. People with good coping skills manage stress better than those that do not have skills. All coping strategies were used in all strengths of stress. 3. There is a significant relationship between level of stress and coping strategies. These are the references that were used in my studies. That's all. Thank you and good day.